अगर अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करके हमारी आने वाली हर नई वीडियो बिल्कुल फ्री में हासिल करें।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Today I am here to speak about a topic 6 September 1965. Dear fellows, Pakistan was established on 19 August 47. This is the day when we celebrated in our independence. Pakistan creations were own facilities in the beautiful world to human birth. It is the country which was created, was the ideal democratic state, was based on the human justice, was based on the order of human in world peace. Dear fellows, Pakistan is in fact the land is blessing. Its creation speaks its dignity. Dear fellows, slavery snatched shackles of the creative facilities in the beautiful world to human birth. Our forefathers sacrificed their life in the guarding of the religion. In turn the grateful Allah, my country offered me to enjoy the open air. We can say Pakistan का मतलब क्या? One and only one, La ilaha illallah. Being a Pakistani, I love my country very much. Pakistan has given us honor, respect, identity, and now name it this time. We must return our freedom, believe in foundation, the love. We can say will be Pakistan.